Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Jay, the Geeky Dad, and this channel is Make Money with Video. Now in today's video, we're going to look at Invideo, video creation app, tool, program, software, whichever one you look at, and I'm going to show you how to make money with it. Now, just a quick overview. It gives you three different ways. You can either look at the pre-made templates, you can either do text to video, or you start from scratch and use a blank canvas. Now I'm just going to make the screen a bit bigger. Now you can type in different subjects. You can either make them wide for your YouTube, square for Facebook, vertical for your Instagram. Yeah. So probably the easiest way is to do the pre-made templates. Now, like I said, you can search anything in there, like weddings, birthdays, yeah, dentists, anything you want, guys. Now, or you can come down, you can see what's trending, and any of these templates, guys, you can click on them and you can edit them, or you can just download them as they are, guys. So you've got like recently added, give you some for each, like most days of the month. You can even do logo creation, guys, where you can design them for other people, upload these to different sites and advertise your work. You've got video ads, you can sell them as video ads, yeah. Slideshows. Now these are good ones. Like if you go over them, you can start uploading these kind of templates. Now I like this one here, guys, and it's like wedding, yeah. So if you like come over to, just close this a minute. Yeah, so if you type it, if you're on Invideo, yeah, you just type in dentist for now. It will give you different videos, so you can do like review videos, dentist videos. You've got all these different videos. What you do, guys, you come over to Facebook, type in dentist button, or you can type in your hometown, wherever you want to go, guys. And all you do, if you come over to click on one of the pages, yeah, let me just come off that. You send them a message. You type in something along the lines of, "Hi, I'm Jay from the video creation website, and we've got this video for you. You can have it for free. Yeah, you give it on free, but get like get your foot in the door, kind of, so to speak." And you just say something along the lines of like how you can make videos from and how video attracts attention, that, guys. And then, or you can just offer them for a price. Another way, guys, if you come over to Fiverr and I've used this previously for the wedding invitation video, yeah. So if you come over here, like you can type in weddings and that, you come over here and people are selling these videos, yeah. Now, I'll just type in dentist. Yeah, so see, people are making dentist videos, and you can do the same, guys. Upload your they're called gigs on here, guys, and you can make lots of different gigs. Like you can have wedding videos, you can have dentist videos, you can have logos. Look at these. People are selling logos, and that's all you need to do, guys, is upload your different gigs from Invideo. So you can like do your explainer videos and all that, yeah. Another one, guys, is on Etsy, which is quite unknown, yeah. So I've just put in animated wedding invitation, yeah, because it's one of the videos I did earlier. If you look at all these different ones, look, 308 people have bought this for £20, yeah, which is like 6,000 odd, yeah. And then you don't have to just do wedding invitations; you can do. As you can see, people are doing video 50 ones, and if we just type in here birthdays, yeah, let's see what type in all, yeah. Look, guys, I've got 50 videos. You can sell these as well. Now you can go over on Fiverr. We'll try and brief to there just to show you. Again, look who's won. Yeah, breaking news. This videos. They're making videos. So you've got that way of making videos where you can do the templates, guys. Yeah. You've also got text to video. Now, what you do, you come to site. If you've got a website, brill. If not, you come to like news sites or sites like this, which is called Listverse, and you can go under. You can search for different categories. I've just gone under the movies and TV because I'm interested in that. Now, all you do is you copy and paste, guys. So you copy it, you go back over to here, and you can select any of these different ones you want. So we'll just choose one for now. Just click on this. Shows you can choose which style you want. Add in a headline. Paste, yeah. Add a bit of come back here. Just copy a bit of text. Now you wouldn't copy this word for word. You will make it your own, guys. You don't want to get done for copyright. And all you do is you split the text up and also it's got a space, and then you just do that, guys, and then you click on next. I'm not sure what these are for. I've never done this before, but yeah, text to speech. Do this, and it will automatically. It will find the videos and images or anything like that for you. It will try and look. I'm not sure if he made him section, but you'd find images you want, guys, and you can come over here and you can look at the script. You can look at upload. Make your own uploaders. Upload your own stuff. Sorry. You can go to videos where you can search like different websites such as Pexels and Pixabay and that. You can search for stuff like certain keywords. You can come on images. You can add your own music, and if you want to just sample it, just do this. If you like it, you move on to the next scene. Yeah, and it'll start. There's Jerry Buckheim, yeah, and you can just choose your one, or you can drag your own up. You can put your own in. Now, you just keep going down and down, and like going through all the different ones. And if you like it, you a minute, just trying to work out. Yeah, if you like it, you just go to download and share, and that's how easy it is, guys. So that's another way you can make a video. Now I'm going to come off this, and like I said, if you want to start from scratch, you would do. But this is the easiest way. The pre-made templates, you can search for like videos, birthdays, weddings, logos, you name it, guys, and then you sell them on here. You contact clients for different things. So you like dentists, or if you want woodwork, you can type in woodwork and that, make woodworking videos. Come over to Fiverr, make lots of different gigs. Yeah. Come over to Etsy and make lots of different ones. Again, lots of different ones. Now, that is how easy it is, guys. Now, this is a short video, but that Invideo is a great tool. Then also, guys, you can upload your videos, what you create, to YouTube, or you can just make your own videos for YouTube. Like if you want to go down the path of from this list first, yeah, you can make lots of different videos of your movies and TV and stuff like that, and have a movies and TV channel. And then when your YouTube channel starts doing good, or even you're going to start making ad revenue. But before that, guys, if you if you go into the description of one of your videos, you can put in the affiliate ID for Invideo. So then if people sign up for it, you're going to make a commission. It's called affiliate marketing, yeah? So you can make you can make money from affiliate marketing, you can make money from ad revenue once you get your YouTube channel monetized. You can make money on Facebook by contacting the clients. You can make money on Fiverr and Etsy by uploading like different gigs and stuff like that. You can also go into Facebook Marketplace and offer video services as well, like for dentists and stuff like that. So guys, there's lots of ways that you can make money with Invideo. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to try it out, or if you've used it before and you've got any other ideas of how you can make money using Invideo. I'd like to know. On this channel, I'm always trying to find new ways of how to make money with video, and I share them with you guys so we can all make money. Yeah, that's the goal in it, guys. We all want to make money. So if you've not done so already, guys, please subscribe and help this channel out. And yeah, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. And if you want to get Invideo, the link is in the description. So check it out, guys. And thanks very much for watching. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. Until next time, bye.